Lead off with Laura, and she's going to talk. Laura Frost, from Associate Dean of the College of Arts and Sciences at FGCU. She's known about us for years. I think we were co-fancy people, right? Whatever that title was called for a while. She was head of the Whitaker Center for many years and now has advanced on to be an administrator at FGCU, and we love her because she knows what we're doing. And so, Laura, if you could just give a little brief introduction on anything you want, certainly on the university.
Well, thank you. So, on behalf of Florida Gulf Coast University and the College of Arts and Sciences, I am so pleased to welcome you to the Everglades Wetlands Research Park at the Academic Center here at the Naples Botanical Garden. If you haven't heard the term wetliculture yet, you're in the right place. As a fellow scientist and a concerned citizen of Southwest Florida, when I first heard Dr. Mitch talk about wetliculture, I was actually pretty fascinated by the opportunities that it could have in both mitigating algal blooms and sustaining our agriculture. So I have to let you know I'm a biochemist, and as a biochemist, my brain tends to understand things in terms of elements and molecules. So here's my definition of wetliculture. It's a fertilizer recycling program for nitrogen and phosphorus.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
instead of letting excess fertilizer run off into our waterways, the excess is captured by wetland plants, which ultimately will restore the nutrient levels in the soil for a future agricultural plot. That's the way I see it. That's my two-sentence definition. What you're about to experience here tonight and tomorrow night, I think, is a kind of a coming out party of sorts based on 2 years of studies that they've been doing here. Dr. Mitch and his research team. And 2 of the talks tomorrow are going to be by students that are going to be getting their PhDs from Dr. Mitch through this work. So congratulations to those students. The Everglades Wetlands Research Park, as we both know because we came to the university at the same time, their expertise is recognized around the globe, and it's really an area of pride for FGCU as we're ramping up our research efforts in studying water solutions for Southwest Florida. The concept of wetliculture feeds directly into the FGCU mission as well, because we do have environmental sustainability as a piece of our mission. So on behalf of FGCU and the College of Arts and Sciences, we give you a warm welcome, and thank you for making time to attend the workshop.